How to manage tags notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage tags notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now just go down until you find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and then just go down until you find this one, notifications, and here you will see tags. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage tags notifications on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.